In this video, I'll show you how to build an app with Bolt.New. First, open your web browser, go to the Bolt.New website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click New Project to start building a new app. Next, describe the app you want to create in the prompt box. Be as specific as possible by including the app's purpose, the features you want, the design, and any integrations you'd like to use. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the results will be. Now, submit your prompt and wait while Bolt.New generates your application. It will create the project structure, write the code, and set up the files automatically. Once the project is ready, review the generated app in the editor. After that, continue improving your app by chatting with Bolt.New. Ask it to add new features, redesign the interface, fix bugs, connect APIs, or optimize the code. After each update, preview the app to make sure everything is working as expected. Finally, once you're satisfied with your application, test it one more time and deploy or export your project using the available options in Bolt.New. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build an app with Bolt.New. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.